Hello guys, Asian Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a casual unboxing of these two cards I bought for you guys. So I bought these cards, I don't need them because I have all my PCs running, but I bought them for you to see tests, okay? I bought them with my own money. So this is a casual unboxing of the RX570 from the XFX. I think you can see it here. And the RX580 also from the XFX. Okay, it will be a casual unboxing, just showing you the components inside the boxes and, well, the usual stuff you see in internet every day. Before going to the unboxing, just check out my newest video of DirectX 11 and 12 versus Vulkan. It has pretty interesting results that you may want to see, okay? Now, without any further delays, let's go to the unboxing. So guys, I'll be recording the sound with my smartphone, so it is normal that the sound is not the best, but at least it's decent. So I think in order to get this straight, we must start with or should I shouldn't say properly, I shouldn't call it like the slowest, because it is not a slow card, it is a mid-end card, but whatever. Yeah, let's start with less fast. Okay, as for the GPU, for the front part, you have here Radeon RX 570 8GB DDR5, GDDR5, FreeSync 2, the X12 optimized, FinFET 14, blah 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 blah. 3 output DisplayPort, HDMI 2.0, dual link DM, blah blah blah. On the side you have simply the XFX logo. On the other side the XFX, Jesus, and the RX 570. It's the first video I'm recording today and the first time I'm speaking English, so I'm a bit rusty. And well, in the back part we have, yes, Ghost 0.40, 4.0, Jesus, thermal technology, 0 dB, blah blah blah, hard swap, so you can actually change the fans if you need to, so hard swap, nice, pretty nice. FreeSync, Crossfire, Liquid VR, X-Connect, and GCN, Graphics Core Next architecture. Okay. Now let's open it with my really good friend, okay? Okay, the inside package is just cardboard with a small XFX, I think you can see it more or less. This says XFX here, okay. Now we have another cardboard, okay. I think that this brings the manuals, most probably. Nope. Yes, it brings a cable, so a power connector. Yeah, basically 1/8. It's 1/8, I don't think you can actually see it properly, yes, 1/8 and 2/6. Yeah, so we have this as a bonus, okay? Let me close this. Now we have the manuals, whatever, the support base, no disk drive, no driver disk included in this product, blah blah blah, no problem at all. And now we have the card, okay. Let's actually open it. Okay, here it is. It actually looks cooler than I thought. Actually cooler than I thought. Yeah, pretty nice. It looks cool. The fans seem fine, at least. The card also feels sturdy. The card is pretty sturdy, in fact. It is heavy and sturdy. It is not just plastic, bad plastic, because good plastic is not bad. It's not bad, it's good. But it needs to be good plastic, and good plastic is not found in most cards, sadly. As for the backplate, yep, the backplate is not plastic, the backplate is aluminum, so pretty nice. As for the connectors, we have one 8-pin connector, and well, the card seems pretty fine with the XFX logo here, XFX logo here also. I think this, no, I was trying to see if it has LEDs, but I don't think it has LEDs, but it would be cool. But I will try to see it when I connect the card. But well, the card looks pretty cool. I'm surprised by the price it cost. I'm surprised. Okay, we have here, let's put it inside and let's go to the RX580. The same as the previous card, as the previous RX570, but I don't think you can really change the fans on this one. That's the only difference. I think in the other one you can change the fans, but not on this one, not on the RX580. Whatever. Let's open it. Okay. As for the inner box, it is exactly the same, just a cardboard with the XFX logo. The inside must be exactly the same, I'm supposing. Okay. Oh, let me see. Yes, exactly the same. So, one time 8 pins, okay, focus, yes, versus 2 times 6 pins. Yeah. Okay. But this time we have a paper inside. We have a disc this time. We have a CD. Great. 17.11.1 from 2017. 2017. Oh my god, good old times. Okay, I think it is fine now. Okay. This card actually brings a bit more things inside. Yeah, in fact, let me just adjust the camera a bit. Okay. It is better now. So, we have the warranty card. We have once again the same paper, blah blah blah. Doesn't really matter. How to achieve OC plus clock rate. Doesn't matter really. Just want to see the card. And damn. Okay, I already feel this card is heavier and thicker. That's what she said. Nice. So we have now RX580. Pretty cool, the fans seem sturdy also. The card is thick, and besides thick, it is also heavy. The card is heavy, more than I thought. The only downside I see is only one 8-pin connector. I wish it had like at least 2-pin connectors. 2.6 or 2.8 like the Sapphire cards, it would be nice. Okay, this is metal. This is metal, not plastic. As for the... Yes, the heat shield is also aluminum, not plastic. It's a good thing. The card also has the XFX logo here. I don't really know if it has LEDs, but I will try it later. And well, the card seems pretty damn fine. Can't really show more of it, but it seems pretty damn fine. So guys, you still see the cards here because I recorded the unboxing before recording this part, obviously. But well, I can tell you one thing for the next videos. which is that we are going to have overclocking tutorials with the Adrenaline 2020 drivers for both RX570 and RX580, overclocking and undervolting, of course. We're gonna have also, if possible, I'm gonna crossfire these two cards and test it against other cards, for example the RX 5700 XT, GTX 1660 Super. I will do tests for the cards separately, and I will do tests for them in crossfire. It will be dope. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe and share the video. And yes, I'm still with my slippers, brown ones. And well, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.